Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love spending time on the golf course, you know how much energy it takes to carry your bag or push a cart around all day. That's why today we're looking at some of the best golf carts you can buy right now, both electric and push models. These carts are designed to make your game smoother, save your energy, and let you focus on having fun. I'll walk you through 5 great options, share the key features, the good and the not so good, so you can pick the one that fits your style best. Let's dive in. Product number 1. MGI Zip Navigator. This premium cart is built for golfers who want comfort and control on any course. It runs on twin 230-watt motors and comes with a 36-hole lithium battery, so you can play all day without worry. The remote is smooth and easy to use, letting you control speed and direction with one hand. The design folds compactly, and the inward wheels save trunk space. It also has holders for a drink, umbrella, GPS, and phone. The handle is soft and adjustable, and the LCD screen shows speed, distance, and battery life. Pros: very powerful and smooth on hills. Long-lasting battery for multiple rounds. Great storage and extras built in. Cons: price is high. A little heavy when lifting into a car. Comment: if you golf often and want a cart that makes the whole day easier, this is a solid upgrade. Product number 2. KVV Remote Cart. The KVV is designed to be small, light, and easy to carry. It folds down to one of the smallest sizes on the market, so it fits even in compact cars. The lithium battery lasts through 18 holes, and the handle adjusts for comfort. The remote offers 9 speed levels, giving you precise control. The front wheel spins 360 degrees for smooth turns, while training wheels add stability. It's quick to set up since the remote comes pre-paired. With its sleek charcoal design, it looks stylish on the course too. Pros: very portable and easy to pack. Remote is smooth and fun to use. Great for city golfers with small cars. Cons: battery is not as strong as bigger carts. May struggle on steep hills. Comment: if you want a cart that's light, compact, and simple to handle, this is a very smart pick. Product number 3. 3-wheel push cart. This cart is made for golfers who prefer pushing but still want useful extras. Built with lightweight aluminum alloy, it's easy to fold in 2 steps. The wide wheelbase keeps it stable, and the 3 large wheels glide over grass, sand, and slopes. It includes plenty of storage: a cooler bag, phone holder, umbrella holder, and cup holder. The bag straps adjust to hold many golf bag sizes. It's sturdy but not heavy, so you can take it anywhere without effort. Pros: affordable while still solid. Lots of storage for drinks and gear. Simple fold design. Cons: no motor, so it's all manual. Comment: if you enjoy walking the course and want a push cart that keeps everything within reach, this one delivers. Product number 4. G3 Autofollow Icango. The G3 stands out with autofollow technology. Clip the sensor on your belt, and the cart follows you around the course without effort. You can also switch to remote or manual control. The battery is powerful, lasting up to 45 holes, so it's perfect for long days. Folding is simple with a 3-motion design, and the compact shape fits most trunks. It includes comfort grips, a cup holder, and an umbrella stand. The all-terrain wheels handle slopes and rough ground with ease. Pros: hands-free autofollow mode feels futuristic. Strong battery for long play. Easy folding system. Cons: newer brand, so fewer reviews. Price is on the high side. Comment: if you like new tech and want a cart that makes the game feel effortless, this is a great choice. Product number 5. Caddytech Caddylight 11.5 V3. This push cart is a favorite because it's light, simple, and durable. Weighing under 14 pounds, it's one of the easiest to carry. The aluminum frame is strong, but keeps the cart light. Folding takes just 3 steps, so you can be on the course in seconds. The wide wheels keep it stable on hills, and it includes extras like a mesh net, drink holder, and umbrella holder. Elastic straps fit almost any golf bag, so it works for all players. With thousands of happy users, it's a proven choice. Pros: very lightweight and easy to fold. Stable and trusted by many golfers. Affordable for most budgets. Cons: manual push, no electric motor. Comment: if you want a simple cart that works well and won't let you down, this is a classic pick. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.